Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today in this video we are going to cover some errors which are not common just among us but also among celebrities. So without wasting any time, let's begin.
This is genius. We have
It's
to clap.
too good.
He's too good. She's too cute. Oh, my child is too funny. These all sentences are very common in English, but do you know that these are grammatically incorrect? The word too means excessively or more than necessary, often used in negative connotation. जब आप ये बताना चाहते हो कोई चीज बहुत ज्यादा है, more than necessary, and when you are trying to say it in a negative manner, not in a positive way, then we use the word too. जैसे आप बोलना चाहते हो it's too hot. Now here you are trying to say बहुत गर्मी है और आप इससे परेशान हो, then we use the word too. Or the coffee is too hot. This means you can't drink it right now. In the clip which you have seen just now, Alia Bhatt is trying to praise someone कि वो बहुत अच्छा है. So she should have said he is very good or he is really good.
Claudia, I know her since last 4 years. Yeah, I know Claudia since last 4 years, Mr. Arjun.
Okay, this is a very common mistake and this one sentence has two errors. Let's understand them one by one. First is the usage of since. The word since is not used in this way. Then how is it used? Let's learn today. The word since is used when we refer to the source of time. अब ऐसा तो बहुत सारे लोग तो समझाते हैं, all the teachers, all the YouTubers. I'll give you a very simple explanation जिससे आप कभी confuse ही नहीं होगे. If you can name the time, use since. अगर आप time को name दे सकते हो, एक नाम दे सकते हो. Very simple example. Look at your calendar. If you want, you can really go and take your calendar. Look at your calendar. Can you name the months? Yes, there are name of the months. January, March, November. You can name them. So here use since. Since January, since November, since May. Can you name the years? 2001, 2020, 2024. So here also use since. अगर आप चाहो तो देख भी सकते हो रेमंड्स, हल्दीराम्स, इन सब के एड में या फोटो में लिखा रहता है सिंस 1995 whatever. Now, can you name the days of the week? Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Yes, so here also you can use since. I have been working on this project since Friday. Can you name the days in this way? Yesterday, today. So here also you can use the word since. Now there is one more way when we can use the word since. That is when we are talking about an event. जैसे I have been thinking about him since I met him. So what is the event? Since I met him. कौन सा टाइम था? जब मैं उससे मिली. जब से मैं उससे मिली हूँ, I have been thinking about him. Since I met him. Again you can name the particular time. So in this situation also you can use the word since. तो फिर for कहाँ यूज करते हैं? For यूज करते हैं when we talk about the duration, when we can talk in numbers. 4 hours, 5 minutes, 4 years. Like she said, I know Claudia for 4 years, not since 4 years. So yes, difference to I hope you have understood that she should have used for because she is talking in numbers, she is talking in duration. So since can't be used here, but here is one more mistake and that is I know Claudia. Now this is an action that started in the past. 4 साल पहले start हुआ. मैं 4 years से उसको जानती हूँ. And when something starts in the past and is still going on, she should have used I have known Claudia for 4 years. So the correct sentence is I have known Claudia for 4 years, not I know Claudia since 4 years. One mistake since, you know why? Because we are talking in numbers, and another mistake, this is an action that started in the past and still going on. So I have known Claudia for 4 years.
कॉमेडी करते हो फिल्मों में जब आपको कहीं ऐसा कैरेक्टर मिलता है, श्री देवी जी, सो इतने सारे नाम है, ऐसा नहीं है. हाँ, ये है कि शायद बहुत सारी ऐसी विमेन्स होंगी जो कर सकती हैं कॉमेडी, शायद नहीं करती हैं. I don't know why.
डरते होंगे शायद because obviously it's quite male dominated also.
Okay, now this is one error that most of us make, and that is singular to plural. Singular is one when we are talking about one, like one boy, okay, or one video. When we are talking about more than one, it becomes plural. So like 2 boys or many videos. Here I have added s. But every noun can't be changed to plural by adding s, like Kapil Sharma did. That is wrong. Okay, I can't tell you all singular to plural nouns in this one video, but at least कुछ जो बहुत common errors हैं वो तो बताती हूँ. One man, more than one, men, men, men. One woman, ये भी same. Women, pronunciation changes to women, men, women. Third, child, children. So when people say children's, she has 2 children's, it's wrong. She has 2 children. Child, children. And last is person, people. There are many people who say persons. It's wrong. Say person, people. Now, before I end this video, I want to share a very good news with you. YouTube has decided to give me an award. Slowest progressing channel of the decade. इसको true मत होने दो. Please like this video, share it with the people who are preparing for exams or who want to learn spoken English or who you think make these errors. With children also, because मैंने बहुत ही अच्छे से बनाया है decent way में. And also subscribe to my channel if you are new here. It will mean the world to me. Thank you. Bye bye and see you in the next video.